Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Mittens cat. This is the Telegram cat, ticker symbol is Mittens, and this token is on the TON blockchain. And they're actually trending #1 on DEX tools, trending #5 on DEX screener. They're up 11% today. They got a huge market cap. We're going to go over the information on the Mittens token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So you can find them on Twitter at Mittens TON Chain. It says Telegram's cat Mittens. 353 tweets so far. It says, welcome to Mittens Telegram's cat on TON blockchain. It has a link to their Telegram right there. Mittens TON. And then it has the contract address right there. Has a link to their webpage right under there, mittenston.com, and they just joined in March 2024 on Twitter, 1,921 followers. In their pinned tweet, it says, Telegram, are you trying to tell us Mittens equals Gen Wealth? That's what our goal is, to make Mittens a billion market cap project on the TON blockchain. And then it has tons of pictures of cats, of course, as you scroll through their Twitter. Now, besides that here, like I said, right now they're trending #5. And there's a pool on Dedust, which is a DEX for TON tokens, that has $263,000 in liquidity in it. They have a $9.1 million market cap, and that is also their fully diluted valuation. Token price is about 9/10 of a penny right now. And they have a 24-hour trading volume of $386,000. They're up 11.7% right now in the past 24 hours. Now, this is a fairly new token. It's not brand new, but the token just came out 2 months ago. It says 1 month, 30 days ago. And that's when the pair was created on Dedust. And they have here, it says a community claim. A lot of, I guess, the community takeover. What happens is, devs, team members, whatever, they come out with a token and they own a certain portion of the supply. They sell their tokens once, the token price reaches a high amount, and, they make a few $1,000s or whatever they made. And then, the community, even though that creates a big dip, of course, depending on how much they owned, even though, it creates a dip, a lot of the times the tokens will go to zero, but afterwards. But if the community really likes the token, they really like it, and they'll keep eating that dip, buy it up, and then take over, basically. So there is a community claim here, and you'll see this on DEX Screener all the time. And this is from April 26, 2024. It says, Mittens, the community takeover project, has more than 10 team members working on Mittens to send it where it belongs. And so I'm guessing it says 10 people, I guess, took over the project after the dev left, I guess. And it says Mittens on TON blockchain is the cat of Telegram, and Telegram is the owner of TON blockchain. Now, they have a DEX tools chart here. They're trending #1 on DEX tools. You can find them on tonviewer.com as well if you want to see some numbers on there. But yeah, they have 2,170 holders so far. a circulating supply and total supply of 1 billion tokens. And it says here, Dedust, if you want to use Dedust to get this token, they might have a link on their webpage here. Let's see if they have one here. TON scan. No, I don't see that there. They have the contract address right at the top of their webpage, though. But basically, you would fund your decentralized TON wallet with TON, go into the dApps, find Dedust. Ston.Fi is another one. STON.FI is another decentralized exchange for TON tokens, so you may be able to get it off there as well. But definitely Dedust. So you go into the dApps, find Dedust, and then you would trade your TON from your wallet for the Mittens token using the contract address that you could find on their official webpage, mittenston.com. Now, it says, Telegram tweeted Mittens. Mr. Mittens, the king of the Telegram domain, is here, and his home is the blockchain TON, the open network. That's what TON stands for, in case you didn't know. I'm sure you already knew. TON, the open network. Join us as we celebrate the cat king of all cryptocurrencies, Mitten. Strut your stuff, king. Your community has your back. And then, so it has how to buy here. So it says download TON Keeper or compatible and follow the steps to set it up. Don't ever share your secret seed. We will never ask for it ever. So that is a wallet you could use. And then it says get some TON. Buy as many TON as you need from a central exchange. Transfer another wallet or bridge from RocketX. So you could buy TON from lots of central exchanges. There's a list of central exchanges, referral codes in the description box. You could use Bitrue, MEXC Global, CoinEx Global, etc. Links are all in the referral codes are in the description box down there. And then it says go to Dedust. Once you have enough TON, go to Dedust, and then use the contract address and swap TON for Mittens. So it says tokenomics, total supply 1 billion, liquidity burned, 0 taxes. So you don't have to worry about slippage when using these DEXs for buys and sells. And it says contract renounced. Then it has a bunch of Telegram tweets showing this big fluffy black cat here doing whatever, lots of memes, stuff like that. At the bottom of the page, they have their socials and they have a link to an email, contact email, in case you need to reach out to the team@mittenston.com. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or what? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.